Hello viewers, this is Yugioh Grip 101, and sorry about that, I just took off the Konami seal, so I didn't get to open anything up. It's a Tidal Dragon Ruler of the Waterfalls tin, so let's open it up. I want Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the beginning, and that's mainly why I got this tin. But I figured it'd be also cool to open these packs. I don't know what to expect though. So, here it is. Got Ally or Ally of Justice Caster. Rail Cannon. Really don't. Brotherhood of the First Fire Fist Bear. And, yeah, but mainly this is what I wanted. Sorry I didn't say the names, but for these, I will name the rares. If you guys want. Open. Okay. So, Aerial Recharge, Shark Raken, Blizzard Falcon, Stream Dragon Ruler of the something, and Mecha Phantom Blast Tetherwolf, Little Fairy, and all these. You guys click on this. I don't know if you're concerned about the rares, I'll say it though. Alright, next one, Aerial Recharge, Shark Raken, Blizzard Falcon, Stream Dragon Ruler of the Droplets, Go Goo Goo Gisagas. I really don't know how to pronounce that. Can't pronounce that either. Mermail, Fire Formation, Kaio Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Wolf. So I really don't know what to expect out of these. Kind of weird. Yeah. Mog Mole, Snow Dragon, Croissant. I really can't pronounce some of these for some reason. Bull Bladder, Mermail, and wow, that's pretty cool. Spellbook of Fate, Grand Dram, Heroic Challenger, Deep Sweeper. So, come on, let's see what we get. I'm still psyched about that BLS. Go. Mad Olic Ticket. I can't pronounce any of these. I'm sorry who's watching this. Try and get it on camera though so you guys can see though. Mermail, Abyss Spike, Hermit of Prophecy, Cashback, Hero Gift. Whoa boy. Secret Rare. That's pretty cool. It's Iron Call. And oh, I didn't know all the packs are like this. Wow. Oh well, but that's pretty cool. Evil Swarm Caster, Phoenix Blast Garda, Dust Storm of Gusto, and Evil Swarm Harrisville. But that's the tin. I don't know if they put anything at the bottom. No, they didn't put anything at the bottom. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the pronouncing. Thank you for clicking on my video. There'll be more videos in the future.